everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I want to really appreciate each and every one of you, my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, and my viewers. You all are blessed. Thank you. I'm not taking you guys for granted at all. You guys have really done well. Thank you. And you that is watching that have not yet subscribed, subscribe to your sister's channel. Subscribe to my channel, encourage me and support me, and God will do you well. So on today's video, I want to quickly share something with you. What I saw last night, an African man roasting a cat in the front of one of the train station in Italy. This man was roasting a cat. I was so ashamed seeing this video. And a woman, I don't know whether the woman was Italian, but a white woman was shouting and challenging him. Why are you doing this to this poor animal? In Africa, you can, if you have a dog and you want to kill the dog, it's left for you. If you have a cat and you want to kill the cat, who will ask you? It's your own. If you have a bird, whatever you have, any pets you have and you want to kill it. But in the Western world, it's not like that. We have to get this into our head. It is not like that. You don't have the right to kill a dog. One can go to prison for that. You don't have the right. Or kill a cat. You don't have the right. So, and even if you want to kill the cat, maybe you have killed the cat, why did you not bring it outside? You know the way we normally set fire in Africa in the olden days. Maybe you bring about 3 blocks, you put firewood by the side, and you make your fire. That was how this man made it. You can see him make the fire, and the cat was on top. He was burning the cat. He was burning. And the woman was screaming on him. What are you doing? What have you done to this poor animal? Don't you have money to buy food? Oh, my viewers, I was really touched. So that is why I'm here. Sometimes ago, I saw a particular man that was pounding. He brought his pot, he brought his mortar and his pestle. He was pounding. After pounding, I don't know what he pounded. After pounding it, he brought it out. He served it in the tray, in the tram. And they were all eating. People were sharing it. But what are we sharing in that? Inside that tram, is it to cook? Are we there to cook? No. You can do all these things in your house. But why are you bringing it? So by doing all these things, and when he started, others copied him immediately. When they are in the tram, come and see what they are doing. And I don't know whether they are having fun or they want to be famous. But that is not how to be famous. Maybe this man, why will you leave your own house and come outside the train station to be roasting the cats? Why? Is it for people to see you? Do you want to go viral by doing that? Let's go viral by doing good things. I remember a Nigerian guy, I don't know whether he was in Nigeria, an African guy that helped in the supermarket. A thief went to that supermarket to steal, and this guy intervened, and with that they gave him a permit of sale because of that. Yes, let's go. You remember that man that helped in France, that climbed and saved a child? So let's go viral by doing good things. not by doing things that people will be saying, oh, look at them, they're Africans, you know. No. No. Why will you be pounding in the tram, a moving tram? Why will you be roasting a cat? In Africa, you can do whatever you want to do to your pets. But in the Western world, it's not like that. That reminds me of a woman. Her cat, she was having a cat as pet. Her cat was seriously ill. She called for an ambulance and they came with an helicopter to rush this cat to the hospital. That was how precious this cat was to that woman. They show it on the news. Helicopter, they used to rush the cat to the hospital. Have you not seen people dying on their dying bed? They will be willing their things to their pets. So pets is very precious to the whites. It's not like we in Africa. So the mentality we brought from Africa, we should put it behind and emulate some of the good things from the whites. Emulate it. Let's emulate it. Why will you do that? You are misrepresenting us. Because when you did that, they will conclude and say, oh, all the Africans, the Africans, they are like that. You are misrepresenting us. That man was cooking in the tram, pounding, came to inside the tram with pestle and a mortar. Can you imagine that? Was pounding and serving it. They were all looking at him and he was laughing. He was laughing. And before you know it, people copied him. They started doing it. They started doing it. Let's copy good things. And let's copy good things from ourselves. Some of us will be inside the train. When we are talking on the phone, those in the other side, they will be hearing our voice. No. Why a white man, a white woman will be talking inside that same train or inside the bus? You will not even know that they are talking. He's talking on the phone. If that be the case, if you are the loud type like me, what you do in the bus, in the train, don't call, don't receive call. When you come out from there, you can receive call or you can exchange message. I'm in the bus now, I can't call you because you know your voice. And let's learn to be bringing the volume of our voices down. Let's learn. Let's learn. I pray that God will really help us to change from this thing. You are an African man, more especially our Nigerians. You will enter the bus. You are the one that did not buy tickets. When the controller will come, you are the one that will see slap and start beating the controller. Oh, this is very unfair. Let's change from this. Let's change that mentality. That's our mentality. Let's change from it. I don't want to talk much. I was not really ready to make videos today, but this prompts me. This video I saw yesterday prompts me to come here to make this video. So I will be linking you to read to watch for yourself, and I pray God will help us to change. So that is it. So please subscribe to my channel, subscribe, and God will do you well. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.
Io da noi i gatti non si mangiano, lo sai? Da noi qui i gatti non si mangiano, qui da noi i gatti si tengono in casa, come se fossero figli nostri. Non ho cosa, non ho cosa, non ho cosa, non vuol dire qui non siamo dove vai tu? Dove vai tu? Ora ti mando io in galera, te ne vai in galera, te ne vai, vergogna, guarda che stai a fare, vergognati, vergognati, cosa? Cosa fai? Cosa? Cosa fai? Cosa? A mangiare, te ne vai al lavoro come lavorano tutti, invece invece di tenere là di sigarette, i soldi ce li hai delle sigarette e non hai soldi per comprarti il pane? Vergognoso, schifoso, schifoso che non si altri, schifoso, vergogna, guarda qua, guarda che sta pazza povera creatura, guarda qua, vergogna, vergogna, dove andate al vostro paese? Andatevene a mangiare, vedo che le sigarette qui ci sono però, quindi non è mangiare quelli, non è mangiare quelli, non si comprano, invece di comprarti 50
Gatto.
sigarette, comprati il pane invece di ammazzare la creatura, sì, ti preoccupa, vergognoso, schifoso, pezzo di merda, pezzo di merda. Ce l'hai i soldi, ce l'hai.
Ma è una cosa vergognosa la stazione di Campiglia. Ha ammazzato un gatto. Sta cucinando un gatto qui alla stazione di Campiglia. Una cosa vergognosa. Da vergognarsi, da vergognarsi. È qui che cucina un gatto e... Ma siamo senza parole, la stazione di Campiglia. Sta cucinando un gatto e... non so cosa dire.